of life?
No philosophy of life. I have life itself. There are people who have philosophies of life, but they don't have any life.
If philosophy, if there is one, has been expressed in the three L's, love, life.
So this is actually a vegan fridge, the first vegan fridge, public, free food fridge in the neighborhood. Let's go check it out.
I'm seeing some bananas, ready, some canned goods. Let's check to see what's inside. Oh, see, it is vegan. All fresh fruit. Not that much right now, but see, there's like applesauce and carrots. We got lettuce, eggplants, apples.
It's so hilarious.
All types of different items. Almond breeze.
This is not philosophy. This is the consequence of being silent.
Is it to enjoy life and not worry about tomorrow?
There is no tomorrow.
See, this is how you do it for the community. You gotta give back to the community. See, look, bunch of goodies, school juices and all that stuff. Look,
It is a process
we
of
got
worry.
canned goods, milk,
Neither there is any
all types
yesterday.
of school juices. Look, you know, community
One
fridge.
is no more.
The Chelsea.
One.
Across the street now. Yeah. All right. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of convenient, but then it's just like when it goes back to the beginning of time. So
A lot of your friends or family or anything had to move out or anything?
yes, of course, all the mom and pop shops that I've seen go. It's kind of sad, right? Because it's culture. You grew up in that. It's a comfort, you know. But then it's also kind of nice when new establishments come because it comes with different things. You know, it doesn't have to be all dark and gloomy. Like, oh, I hate this. It's more like, okay, it's a little cleaner. Yo, for real. Sounds familiar though.
All was worrying, all imagining, dreaming, projecting disappears. And it is not that you have to enjoy this moment. That rejoicing arises out of this moment. But you are never here. You are always somewhere else. You are never in the now. You are always then. Otherwise, everything is available. But you are absent. I make my people
So tell me those
to
stories
understand a
about this.
very
Tell me
simple
stories.
fact, not a philosophy.
Yeah.
Something existential, not philosophical. That you be present to this moment.
Wow.
And we opened a store in Independence. That time, a lot of the stores closed. That time we opened our store.